what did she leave you?
Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. I didn't say anything. Oh,
You
my
alright?
grandmother, yeah, fine. That's emotional. I can't believe you got that. I didn't say anything. That's weird. It
Real.
did feel real magic. That was like real magic. Because it also hit hard, like my emotions and stuff. So that was good.
I think it's a really special thing. All right, welcome back to another episode of Fooler. My name's Lloyd.
I'm Kaylee.
And I'm going to show Kaylee a trick today, or a piece. I actually don't consider this a trick. I consider this genuinely, after all the things that we've seen over the past year or so, the closest thing to real mind reading that I think I've ever shown you.
Okay.
I possibly ever will show you. So
That's exciting.
the only thing you need to do, as always, is confirm to the audience at home this is not set up in any way, shape or form.
There'd be no point, so no.
Okay, so I'm just going to do it to you like this.
Okay.
I want you to take yourself into your mind and think about somebody that you love, but somebody that's no longer with us.
Okay.
All right? And I want you to think about something from them that you consider an heirloom, something they may have given to you.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now, I know your family, I know you, I know your history, but there's a big array, because you have such a big family of loved ones, and a big family history. There's a lot of people this could be, but specifically, I don't know, I hopefully don't know. Maybe I could know, like say it was a telephone. I know what a telephone is, but I genuinely would have no idea what this would be.
No.
Okay?
Yeah.
And if you think I could know what it is, change it to something different if you can, but I want you to really have a connection with this. Because this is only going to work if you can feel it.
Okay. Yeah.
You have that?
Mm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what we're going to do is we are actually going to connect hand to hand in a moment. All right?
Okay.
Just like this. Place your fingers against mine.
Yeah.
And imagine this object. Imagine it written out in front of you. Imagine all the letters in the air.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. We're going to connect. You're going to try and send me the letters of this object. Okay? So I want you to think about the first letter like this and send it to me just like that.
Okay.
The second letter, send it like this and continue on. But don't say anything out loud ever.
Okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
When you're ready, just send me the word that you're thinking of. Yeah? Got that? Does that feel fair?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now this letter is going to be made up of different shapes and different consonants, different vowels. Jumble them all up. Let's just try something. I think I'm getting it, but I want you to try and send me, think about maybe the first vowel of that letter, and just send it to me. Send me the next vowel. Okay, send me the next one. Alright, I got this. This is really crazy. This is going to sound completely weird to you. I'm going to try and do this. Now, this is a bit, I think I've got the right thing. Just for everyone to know, you can imagine the shapes of the letters as capitals as you're doing this, right? Like the first letters, I think it's made up of like straight lines, if I'm correct. Yeah? Yeah? I'm going to show everyone at home before I do this. Let me just open this up. Okay, there we go. I'm going to Google it for everyone at home.
Okay. Plus, do you think you know what it is already?
I think I know what it is. I'm going to show this to everyone at home first. Okay, you can see that? Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you can take your eyes out. So the reason I'm showing everyone at home first is because some people might think that if you said what it is out loud for the very first time, that maybe then I could secretly write it down, or I would just, like, if you said the word four, I'd say four at the same time, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone at home has seen this, this is locked in, there's no editing.
Mm-hmm. The
person you were thinking of, I know it's quite personal, so you don't have to get too deep into the details, but am I right in thinking that this was a woman? This would have been your great grandmother?
My great.
Your great grandmother. I actually don't know. I actually don't know So I literally felt it coming through from you into me.
Yeah.
But what did she leave you?
A necklace. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. I didn't say anything. Oh my god. Now just to put it into context, like a lot of people have died in my family and
I didn't
a lot of people have left things to me. I had a ring off my grandmother. Yeah, it's fine. It's emotional. I can't believe you got that. I didn't say anything. That's weird.
Isn't that what? I don't know what it is about this thing, but I don't know. Right, before I don't want to give you any influence, so tell everyone. Okay, we're gonna rate it as quickly as we can. Okay. I'm so sorry. You alright?
Yeah.
Well, that feel incredible to you?
Yeah, really, really good.
Like, just quick, like for me as a knowing everything I do, from my outside perspective, I think it should feel like real.
It did feel real magic. That was like real magic because it also hit hard, like my emotions and stuff. So that was good.
I think it's a really special thing. All right. So first of all, creativity.
Oh my god, I don't even know how you did it. So I have no idea. That gets full marks from me and a bonus because
on everything. Yeah, creativity,
that really
entertainment.
Touched my heart, and I think it makes you feel. It makes you believe everything in real magic, and I don't even want to know how you did that because it was so special that moment. I loved it. Crying on camera.
This is the bit that's gonna piss me off, but actually no, I will tell you one thing about it, because this is the bit that's so annoying. This is another creation of Christian Grace's.
Oh, for God's sake!
It's every single one. Yeah. You don't react to mine like this, which is super frustrating.
Oh my God, Christian, that's insane. That's amazing.
I had no idea.
It makes you feel so. It makes you believe in everything. Like even like card tricks, you know there must be some sleights in there. Like I don't have a clue how you did that. Not one clue, and I don't want to know because it made me believe in it again. I'm going again. Oh my God, Christian, you're amazing. Everyone needs to get this trick. Right, stop now. Let's just.
All right, that was a special one for so many different reasons. Straight off the bat, I didn't pay for Enigma, and Christian's my friend. So if you think that I'm making some sort of biased video and nothing is going to change your mind, close the fucking tab, click out of the video immediately because I'm not going to change your opinion. Just know that this video is not biased. This is 100% speaking from the heart. And by the time I explain to you something in a moment, you're gonna understand why. I've been making these videos for over a year now, these performances to Kaylee. She's cried, I think, 4 times or 3 times. All bar one has been for tricks that are not mine. And as painful as that is to say, as a magic creator, it's a good thing. Because from the very inception of these Fool It videos, it's imperative. The most important factor is that Kaylee's reaction is honest and true. Because if they're not, then none of these videos should ever matter again. I should delete every single one off the channel, and I would implore you to unsubscribe to me. There's only one thing that matters, and that reaction is true. So there have been times when I performed a new product of mine that's about to be released, and she didn't react the way I wanted to, which sucks, but at least it's honest. And there have been products that I performed to her, or tricks, sometimes they're not even products, but tricks that I performed to her by other people, where she gets the reactions I didn't want. And a perfect example is the perfect pen. I didn't think as a magician that was a great trick. I was going to use that as a baseline performance. I was hoping Kaylee would see it and be like, I can see how it works, da 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 da. And then like, right, so you guys can see this, how she reacts. Now let me show you what I think is a great piece of magic. And it's in her top 5 Fuller episodes of all time. She loved it. The only thing that matters is her honesty. Because there is so much discussion in the magic realm about the products that are coming out to the industry. Everybody has an opinion about a magic product. And my whole ethos is, and this isn't just a life ethos, but what someone's opinion of me is absolutely none of my fucking business. And it's the same with the magic that I choose to perform or the magic that I create. If I have a trick, if I've created a trick or I've chosen to perform a trick, and I go out there and I do it and it gets incredible reactions, it doesn't fucking matter what anyone else says about it. I don't know whether it's because of my age and I'm grumpy, but I keep my own counsel. I am not a sheep. I am Welsh, so less of the sheep jokes, but I'm not a follower. I don't listen to people blindly. I believe, just about wise enough to make my own opinions of the magic, about the magic that I want to perform. And none so much as with Enigma. There are so many people out there that have an opinion on it. Largely all incredible, doesn't matter to me, don't care about those. And a few, a minority, that are chastising it. Again, doesn't matter, don't care about those. The only opinion that matters about Enigma is the personal experience in it. And it's the same with every fucking trick you're ever going to perform in the rest of your life. Everything else around you, all the magicians around you, they may be saying it's the best trick ever, go and do this, go and do that. Or the new thumb tip that you've made yourself at home out of cork and chewing gum and double stick tape is terrible, you should get rid of it and buy a new one. If the trick that I've chosen to do, regardless of method, regardless of quality of prop, gets reactions like that, then you're going to bet your bottom fucking dollar that's the trick that I will keep in my set until my dying day. So when people come out and they don't own something and they haven't even performed it and they think they understand the whole workings of it, comes out with a negative opinion, they can fuck off. Because it doesn't matter. It does not matter. The only thing that matters is that. So think to yourself, when it comes to something like Enigma or any other trick that you're considering learning or buying, in the case of Enigma, if you've seen that performance, you just watched it, if you could see yourself performing something like that, you think, you know what, I would like to try and perform something like that. I love the idea of connecting with someone and taking a moment, a breather, and revealing information in such a way, and more importantly, getting my audience to react like that. If that's what you want to do, Enigma will 100% do that for you, because it fucking does. So if you want to do that, get Enigma. If you're not interested in that, if you want to go out and do fast-paced card magic and get people screaming and running down the street with an ACR, then fucking do that. Do what makes you happy, but cut out all the bullshit. Don't listen to the background noise. Because for me, that was a really special moment. You've been following this channel for a very, very long time. And you know how infrequently, how rarely I get that reaction. And that was special. So, say about that what you will. Enigma comes with a fairly higher than normal price tag, but if you want reactions like that, then, and you're gonna do it all the time, like I'm gonna, worth every penny. And if it doesn't suit your style, I'm gonna go online and talk shit about it. Just don't get it. I think it's really simple. But for everyone else, I'm assuming the people that follow this channel care passionately about magic and mentalism. I've for the longest time I have preached about trying to make magic real and trying to make it feel real. There are two different things there, and I believe that I'm making strides in my creations and the stuff that I choose to share with you towards making magic a better place. So for those of you that share that ethos with me, I'm guessing Enigma is the type of thing that you would probably do, or probably desperate to do. And for that, you can go and get it now on Apple and Android. I'm not even talking about the method yet, just to say Enigma is an app, so it makes it incredibly easy to perform, but it's also a system. So as you perform it, the more you perform it, the more you learn the system, until you get to the point where you don't actually need the app. But like you've seen in the performance, it doesn't feel like an app. There's so many brilliant special things. And again, you can do it on Zoom, Skype, different ways of presenting it in person. You can do it standing behind their back. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. And again, my opinion means fucking nothing. That's the only thing that matters. It was Kaylee's reaction, or the person you're going to perform it to's reaction. So if you want to get hold of it, go to enigmaofthemind.com. It's from Christy and Grace. And I just want to say that I'm making this video off my own back. although I had a review copy, I have a review copy of a lot of different things. I'm looking at them all around me. Some of them are very, very, very expensive products. But I felt like doing this one, and it's not to help. It's doing this one because I feel like we're at this sort of conjuncture, word point, where people are getting so combative, being for or against, whether it's politics or religion, and mostly magic tricks in this context, that I think sometimes you just, at least if you haven't thought about it from this point of view before, but have some perspective on it all. Just think, is that the type of trick that you would like to perform, and is that the reaction you would like to get with it? If so, get it. If not, don't. Don't worry what the fuck anyone else is saying. The only thing that's important to know is that it works, and it works as easily as you just seen it because I just performed it. All that matters. Alright folks, bit of a different video, rambled on for long enough. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you want to see more performances like this, there are a lot more coming in the very near future, then hit that subscribe button. And for everybody else, I will see you all in the next video on Monday. Peace.